Hey friends, Doug Goodrich with Orion Aircraft USA, and I'd like to do another unboxing video. And the purpose of this unboxing video, because everybody's seen unboxing videos, is basically just to do a little shout out to our vendors that are helping us bring this project to fruition here in the United States. And our last one was Acme Aero with a great set of shocks that they sent us, and we have those installed on the airplane now. They're exciting. And this one here is our wheels and brakes system tires from Matco landing gear systems, and they've been great getting things set up and kind of spec'd out. And we are going to offer the Matco system as the standard on the Orion Cub. Now we can do different wheels and brake systems in the future. If you want a set of Behringers, they're already in process with the manufacturer in South Africa of the Orion Cub kit and Behringer in France. So that stuff is in development. So we'll have other options in the future. But what we're going to unbox here today is what, at least here in the United States, we're going to call our standard Orion Cub landing gear kit. So we're going to start over here with these beauties. These are a set of Aero Classic 27.5 inch tires. And I went with this versus the Alaska Bush wheel, which make beautiful tires and landing gear equipment. But this particular airplane is going to live, I don't know if I'd call it a charmed life, but it's going to see probably more asphalt than it is grass. And that's just the nature of the airport that we're in. We're in what I call a big boy airport. It's a commercial service airport. And we have two big runways here and crash fire rescue and a tower and all of that. So getting in and out of our base airport here, it's going to be all asphalt. We have a lot of grass strips up here in the upstate New York area, so we're looking forward to getting out and frequenting them. But I wanted to get a good set of tires that are not too big to slow it down, not too small to make it look like it's not really a bush plane, and also that will hold up for a fair number of asphalt landings. And so I thought this was a good and reasonable compromise for that. With size, with thickness, I mean, they are a little heavier, but they've got some good tread, which should hold up to a lot of the asphalt landings that we'll be doing with it. And they're also not 31s or crazy 35s or something like that some people put on these airplanes that will really slow it down quite a bit. So we're looking forward to putting these on. All right, so let's get into a couple of our boxes here and see what our friends at Matco have sent us. Oh, peanuts, great. All right. So we've got our master cylinders. They are, obviously front and rear seat positions for brakes. Brake manual. These are our tubeless tire kit to make our wheel system and tire system tubeless. And looks like lots of other brake lines and other fittings here. Like I said, we're going to have this all available as a standard kit and standard pricing, so you'll know what you're getting here with a single price right on our website. So we're going to take a little break here. I'm going to get rid of some peanuts. All right, and we are back. So this box also has the other thing that I'm really excited about, and that is our tail wheel. So we have the Matco dual fork wide heavy duty tail wheel here. Actually, this I don't think is their heavy duty-ist, if that's a word. I think they have one that is even a little bit more robust than this one. But we were talking with Kevin Hopper, the designer of the airplane in South Africa, a little bit about this, and they've had some single fork tail wheels which tend to put the tail wheel itself off of the center line. And so he highly recommended this. He was planning on going in this direction with their planes in South Africa. So we're looking forward to getting this thing bolted on the airplane and seeing how it performs. But yeah, this is exciting. So here is our Matco dual fork wide tail wheel. think I know what's in these two boxes. I have to cut them both open. Because they're both the same size, so I have a feeling that this, I'll tell you what, we'll take another peanut break. All right, we are back at it here. Had to take care of a few peanuts. We still have lots of peanuts here, but we'll see if I can get these beauties out of the box here without, we're still gonna have an eruption of peanuts. There's just nothing you can do about peanuts. If you deal with shipping stuff, you know peanuts are, you love them and you hate them at the same time. But these right here are 8-inch wheels and brakes. So, love these beauties. We've got the dual calipers. So we plan on taking this to at least some stole competitions. We're kind of in it for the fun of it and to show the world the airplane, not off to a real extreme stole kind of thing, but we'll see how it performs and how our pilots do in the competition. But I definitely wanted a dual piston set and a nice heavy duty brake set to go with our wheels, so we can stop this thing in a real efficient way. So again, this is going to be our standard: the 8-inch wheels, the 27.5-inch Aero Classic tubeless tires, and these wheels and brakes. And all of the plumbing, the reservoir, all of that. It's all coming as a kit from Matco. So I want to thank them again for helping me get all this stuff set up here. And now we'll get it on the airplane. And goal is Oshkosh 2026 that we have this plane there. So we've got a ways to go. We're in week 6. Right now, I believe, on the build. So we're getting there, and I'll give another update soon on the whole project. Thanks for watching.